Alright, everybody. This is from a pal, SanGabriel. SanGabrielBum. Come on. And he has 2 boxes of 2009 signature stars. So let's see what we can get for him here. Okay. I can do this. It's been a while since we busted this late into the night. I used to bust till like 6, 7 in the morning all the time, but I got out of the habit. Might as well get back into it with these 100 caser coming up. Kevin Gassman, USA. Michael Choice, USA. Rick Haig. And you got a Drew Pomeranz dual relic. Or Drew Pomeranz to $4.99. Garen Cecchini to $8.99. Not a bad USA auto. Ichiro insert. Yeah, it's up there. I mean, it depends. It depends. When I first started opening signature stars in 2011, 2012, 2011, that Freeze rookie was going for like 80 bucks. It had a huge resale value. But I don't know what it's at now. There you go, Bryce Harper. Bryce Harper relic. That's the second Harper relic, but still no Harper auto. Chad Billingsley, that's not a bad auto. Chad Billingsley. And your parallel is Evan Longoria to 170. It's a nice card. All right, let me clean up a little bit. This one box was better than poor Chicago World Series 2 boxes put together. That guy had a bad 2-box experience. All right, here you go. Next one. And Brad Miller. Not bad. USA relic. Brad Miller, Seattle Mariners. Tim Wakefield insert. Rick Haig. Relic. Nick Pepitone. Wow, wow. Not a good auto. Uh-oh, bonus. Philip Pfeiffer. Case hit. Brad Miller. Sonny Gray, USA. Trevor Bauer. And Nicky Delmonico. All right, bud. Your first box was pretty good. Your second box was eh. You did get a rare auto, though. That's for sure. All right, so let's see what you got here. You got the Philip Pfeiffer autoed insert, and Nick Pepitone, Rick Haig, and Brad Miller. So that box was kind of crappy. Then you got the Longoria, which is really nice. Chad Billingsley's a nice one. Bryce Harper, a nice one. Cecchini, very good auto, and the Drew Pomeranz. So you had one really good box and one kind of box.